My dog loves this self-cleaning dog brush. It works fantastic for my dog's long hair. It gets under his ears, all that wonderful long fur that he has, and look how well he's just sitting, loving every second. It's versatile, it's time-saving, it can remove the mats, the tangles, the dirt, and all that loose fur that your pet may have. I love how gentle it is on my dog's skin and his coat. He sits so comfortably and he loves every second. The brush works beautifully even on his thick furry tail that he has. Look how he's loving it. This is the first time he's ever repositioned himself to make sure that I get every single inch of his tail. It's very gentle on him and he loves the soft angled bristles because it's easy, it's effective, and it doesn't cause him any pain whatsoever. Look at that beautifully brushed coat. This has always been the worst part of me brushing my dog, is getting the fur out of the brush. Hitting it on walls and concrete and everything else, no longer. Check it out. Just push the button, the bristles go back in, and wipe that hair away. How cool is that? All that hair would have been in my carpet, but now it's going to be in the trash. You will love this Pet Portal dog brush.